everybody, I hope you're all cosy at home. We're going to be reading Granny Got a Sprout Stuck Up Her Sneezer. It sounds really, really funny. Let's have a look. Granny got a sprout stuck up her sneezer, eating lunch at our house Christmas Day. First, she tried to pull it with the tweezers. Then suddenly we heard poor Granny say, "Oh, there's a sprout stuck up the nostril of my sneezer. It's somehow found its way inside my snout. There's dinner up my nose. How it got there no one knows. Oh, won't someone find a way to get it out?" Poor Granny. Grandpa whipped a carrot from his plate. "Don't worry, I'll use this to prize it out." He pushed the carrot in and then pulled it straight as Granny gave a rather startled shout. "There's a carrot up the nostril of my sneezer. It's somehow found its way inside my snout. Your grandpa is a wally. He's completely off his trolley. Oh, won't someone find a way to get it out?" Mother snatched a turnip from the table. "I'll poke it free with this," she exclaimed. She shoved it in as hard as she was able, as Granny almost toppled off her chair. "There's a turnip up the nostril of my sneezer. It somehow found its way inside my snout. Your mother put a root in my unsuspecting snoot. Oh, won't someone find a way to get it out?" Father grabbed his biggest roast potato. "I'll use this spud to shift it," he exclaimed. He spun it like a tiny spud tornado, and Granny started wailing once again. "There's a tater up the nostril of my sneezer. It's somehow found its way inside my snout. Your father is a fool. He's a danger to us all. Oh, won't someone find a way to get it out?" Auntie seized a big old tray of stuffing. "I'll wrench it out with this," she boldly said. And with a sigh of, "Right then, here goes nothing," she aimed the plate of mince at Granny's head. "There's a big old tray of stuffing up my sneezer. It's somehow found its way inside my snout. Your auntie tried to prod it with a plate of seasoned sausage. Oh, won't someone find a way to get it out?" Uncle heaved the turkey from its platter. "We need a bigger lever," he proclaimed. He threw the giant bird directly at her as Granny tossed her head back and exclaimed, "There's a turkey up the nostril of my sneezer. It's somehow found its way inside my snout. Your uncle took a chance with a bird the size of France. Oh, won't someone find a way to get it out?" Everyone went absolutely crazy. "Don't worry, Gran," I called across the plates, and reaching past the parsnips and the gravy, I shook a cloud of pepper in her face. What do you think's going to happen? Achoo! A turkey shot out from her sniffer. Achoo! A tray of stuffing followed next. Achoo! A tater hit Dad in the kisser. Achoo! A turnip shattered Auntie's specs. Achoo! A carrot hurtled from her nozzle and took the head off Mother's Christmas rose. And with a final achoo from her schnozzle, at last the sprout came out of Granny's nose. "There's nothing up the nostril of my sneezer. This Christmas Day is happy now and merry. You saved me from my plateful, and for that I'm truly grateful. But has anybody seen my glass of sherry?" I hope you enjoyed it, everybody. Bye.